Looking for the best drone camera for video shooting at a low price? You're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 budget-friendly 4K drones that deliver incredible footage without emptying your wallet. Whether you're a beginner or a content creator, these drones will give your videos that cinematic edge on a budget. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love camera tech, filmmaking tools, or budget gear that performs like a pro, make sure to hit that subscribe button. In this video, we'll explore 5 of the best low-price drones for video shooting. Tested, trending, and worth every dollar. Kicking off our list, the DJI Mini 4K drone. This little beast proves that you don't need a big budget for big results. It shoots crisp 4K video, has a 3-axis gimbal for ultra-smooth footage, and weighs under 250 grams, meaning you can fly it almost anywhere without heavy restrictions. With a flight time of up to 31 minutes and smart features like quick shots and return to home, it's one of the best options under $300 right now. Next up, the DJI Mini 3 drone. If you're serious about video shooting but still want a compact, affordable option, this drone is a powerhouse. It captures stunning 4K HDR video and features a true vertical shooting mode, perfect for social media creators or vloggers. It also has improved wind resistance and a 38-minute flight time, ideal for smooth, cinematic travel shots on a budget. Coming in third, the Potensic ATOM SE GPS drone. Don't underestimate this underdog. It's one of the most affordable drones offering 4K EIS, electronic image stabilization, and GPS-assisted flight for precise control. Perfect for beginners who want professional-looking shots. With features like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Auto Return, it's reliable and easy to use, all for around $250. Number 4, the DJI Neo drone. This one's newer to the market, but already turning heads. It delivers sharp 2.7K to 4K footage and uses DJI's latest intelligent flight modes, making aerial videography effortless. If you're into travel vlogging or action-style content, the Neo gives you reliability, portability, and DJI-level performance, all under a tight budget. And wrapping up our list, the Potensic ATOM 2 drone. Think of this as a step-up version of the ATOM SE. It offers upgraded 4K 60 FPS recording, a stabilized gimbal, and longer flight time. The control range is impressive too, perfect for capturing wide cinematic shots. If you're looking for the best balance between performance and price, the ATOM 2 delivers serious value for under $400. Let's quickly recap the top picks. DJI Mini 4K, best overall budget drone. DJI Mini 3, best for creators and HDR video. Potensic ATOM SE, best entry-level drone. DJI Neo, compact and smart for travelers. Potensic ATOM 2, best all-round upgrade option. So there you have it, the top 5 best drone cameras for video shooting at a low price. Each of these drones proves that you don't need to spend thousands to capture breathtaking aerial videos. Whether you're filming YouTube content, travel footage, or creative projects, there's a perfect drone for your budget right here. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more camera and gear reviews, and drop a comment below. Which drone would you pick? I'd love to hear your thoughts.